thing that you have without covering that there is a lot of disease will catch us, and we have to to let them to be awareness the first time in order to us we have like something speech said that the prevention is better than cure, which means that we have to do something before that thing come for us. We have to take attention. This is, we have collaborate today. We distribute ourselves in different sites to see any single house in this area. When we have finished, we get a search in like next area. So, and this is we want to do for our community, which is Mersing locality. And all my, recommendation, all my advice, I hope that to arrive for everybody around this world, which is Sudan country. We hope all the people that to listen our speech and to do these things and to execute these things, because it will let them to be a good health and thanks indeed.